Hi everybody, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. As you can see, I have my red shirt, my red hat on. You know what time of the year it is? It's time for Christmas. Through the month of December, we will have Christmas themed tutorials to help make you maybe a little bit more profitable, but hopefully a little bit more jolly. So in this week's tutorial, we are going to learn how we can update a template in Booth automatically each time the session goes. So it randomizes and gives everybody, the next person, a different template than the person right before. This works really well for corporate promotions, holiday parties, and I'll even show you how we can use this even with a kids party. So let's jump right in and see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are in my computer. We have this template, and inside of that template there's a whole bunch of different graphics that we can choose from. You can see in here it says that you've been naughty, 10% of your purchase will go towards a local food bank. Well, let's say I wanted the next person to receive one that says you've been nice and you receive 15% off of your order. So now this is just a fake QR code. It would go to somewhere else that built into your point of sale system. But this is a good way that we can update a template. I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to start from scratch. So let's cancel out of here, and we're going to click new. It's going to be 4x6. Whoops. Naughty or nice. And what we're going to do is first, I'm going to just add a photo. I don't know exactly where it's going to go, but it's going to go somewhere right about there. It's going to be a square image. Next, I'm going to add my graphic. And what I'm going to do, actually, instead of clicking browse, I'm going to switch to graphic list. And I'm going to click edit, and then the list name, and you can use any name, but you just want to make sure that whenever you add the command, you use the same name. So I'm going to just call it list. Something easy to remember. I'm going to click add, and there are my 10 different graphics with different promotions on each. And because I want it to be random, and you can see how I've named these, I'm going to go ahead and just scoot some of these down so that nobody knows who's getting what next. It's because there's 10, it'll be hard to kind of follow what could be up next. Just kind of randomize it, move that up, and then maybe move these two down. Okay. I'm going to click OK, and we should be able to see one graphic. The top graphic shows up, and now I know exactly where to put my photo box. I'm going to go just a little bit outside the edge, and then I'm going to save it. Just in case I've already created one with the same name, I give it a unique name. So I'm going to select that template, and if we look at my screen template, there's really nothing on it. You tap the screen to start. There's no graphic list changing buttons because we don't want the people using the booth to be in control. We want to automatically advance to the next template. So the trick here is under device control. We are going to set during startup. We're going to add a booth command of next graphic, and this is where we want to make sure that we type this in and match identically what we have in the list on the template. And it's a good idea to copy and paste that, but I was very specific with the naming, so I didn't have to. So now I'm going to show you just within here I have review photo. More than likely you're going to want to turn this off, because then that allows somebody to skip and go to the next template and just keep going until they get what they want. But just for fun, I'm going to leave it turned on so I can cancel it and we can see what happens in the next. So it's going to go through, take one picture, and then it should show us our template. 10% will go to the food bank. Accept. Whoops. I probably could have just clicked cancel. So we'll try it again. Now we can see we have a different template or graphic added here that saved 20% off of your purchase. We'll click cancel. Do it one more time just to see it come up with a different graphic. And we'd go through those 20% off. 20% of your purchase will go to the food bank. So you can see how it works. It's going to switch back and forth between those graphics. I said this works well for promotion, corporate promotion, like you're trying to sell something, as we were here, or if you had a Christmas party and you just wanted to have funny little quotes in there. You can just kind of, it's a random template, so hopefully nobody gets too offended. And one of the things I forgot to show you, but I'm using 4x6 media that's perforated. So what happens is you're able to cut off that promotion, and then you have your 4x4 image. So it's just perforated down the center, which is kind of neat and kind of helpful. So you get a nice clean image, and you also get something you can take with you. Maybe this is a business card. In this situation where I said it works well for even a children's party, here I have the same thing saying you've been good this year for a Santa shoot, and then they can just pop off and have their little their sucker, so, or candy cane if you prefer. So a lot of fun ideas. That's the 4x6 perforated media, and working with a randomizer. It's not really random, it's just going to go through the 10 over and over. You can add more if you want to make it more random, but I thought this would be a fun idea that I'd like to share. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.